Good morning, fam. Hitting up the gym today. Might as well start the day right, guys. And anyway, for today, I'll be hitting up the gym. And then I'll go to my friend JM. And then maybe I'll see Arvin and Patrick. Didn't see Patrick yet. I'll show you guys later who he is. We'll meet up maybe at the mall or something. So anyway, let's go. Guys, so I'm currently here dito sa Santa Lu and mag-gym sana ako. Kaso ang fail kasi may earthquake drill daw, so hindi ako makapag-gym, and then hindi naman ako pwede mag-gym mamaya kasi may lakad ako. Sabi ko nga pupunta ako sa bahay ni JM, and then may gagawin kami for school, mga final requirement. So saan punta? Maybe tomorrow na lang. Nakakainis, diba? And I'm just waiting for Arvin and Patrick. Si Arvin nandito na daw, kaka-text niya lang sa akin. And kikitain ko siya in a while. Si Patrick on the way na daw. Nakakainis lang. Sayang yung punta ko rito. What's up, fam? So we're currently here in Subway and si Arvin kakain. What's up, bro? So anyway, hindi pa nagsistart yung earthquake or ay, nagsistart na pala. Ayun sila, oh. And guys, I'll show you Patrick. Hi. Hi, guys. So that's Patrick, guys. So anyway, after neto, inaantay lang namin mag-open yung mall. Then magbabayad kami sa Bayad Center for NBI. And then hindi ko na alam gagawin namin. So I'll catch you guys later. Guys, so we transferred here at Robinsons. And mag-check kami sa NBI since nagbayad na kami sa kabilang mall. So i-check lang namin yan kung ano yung kailangan namin dalhin for next week para pagdating namin doon is goods na lahat.
Activation with innovation. Ito ang ginagawa mo.
So we are returning to Santa Lucia. Uy! Camera! And nag-check namin sa NBI and sobrang haba ng pila. Siguro aagahan na lang namin sa Monday para mauna kami. Pero I doubt. So anyway, pupunta na ako kay JM and sila uuwi na yata. Yeah! So I'm outside James' house and I'm calling him and hindi siya sumasagot. Come on, bro. Hindi talaga sumasagot. Baka tulog pa to.
The subscriber cannot be reached. Please try again later. The subscriber cannot be reached.
Kakatok na lang ako. Quick update, guys. So I'm currently with Jums na. Yung gumagawa na kami ng paper and tinatamad na ako gumawa. Mga 2 hours ako nagantay kasi yung talagang yung gumagawa. So anyway, I'll catch up with you guys later. Gagawa muna kami. Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Shit. Ano? So guys, I'm off na to pick up my sister. And then uwi kami, and then ihatid ko siya sa Ortigas kasi manonood siya ng concert ng Fifth Harmony. Saan na ba ako? And then, hindi na ako nakapag-shoot kanina habang paalis ako kila JM kasi may mga bisita sila, nakakahiya. Syempre hindi ko naman house yun. So guys, I'm currently back in my room. I don't know what to do anymore. So anyway, hindi pa tapos yung paper na ginagawa namin ni JM kanina. Siguro itutuloy ko na lang and then, pero mamaya na. Kasi hatid ko pa yung kapatid ko sa Ortigas. Sabi ko nga, di ba, mananood siya ng concert ng Fifth Harmony. And, ayun lang. Siguro, I'll end the vlog here, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace. I just dropped my sister in Mega Mall and to see my cousin, and traffic is bad. Well, not that bad. Actually, di ko nga gets, hindi ganun ka-traffic ngayon. Kasi gumagalaw. Look. Well, it's bad pag sa camera. And I'm almost out of gas. So, ayun lang. Bye-bye!